Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude X in Baltic Gray. With adaptive cruise control, active lane management system, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, remote start system, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 11052A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.